Hey everyone, and welcome back to Whisk and Knives. I'm your host, Topher Harris, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Szechuan pickles. We'll be taking Szechuan peppercorns and we'll be putting it into our pickling agent, and we'll be doing cucumbers, red onion, and as well some jalapenos. And the reason you're going to need this recipe this week, and you may want to make it this week, is because those pickled red onions and the pickled jalapenos are going to go on top of our brine chicken wings that I'm going to be making next week, just in time for the Super Bowl. So let's hope that your team makes it, and if they don't make it, that's alright, because we're still going to be making delicious food here. And some white vinegar. Could be distilled. That's all I got. And we're going to want to fill it to 2 cups. And the second thing, alright, then you want to put it in your pot. Put that sucker, I don't know, medium. We're trying to get to a boil. Then we're going to add of water. Next, as this is heating up, you're going to want to add 5 tablespoons of kosher salt. Give this a big stir around. So the next thing that you're going to want to add is you're going to want to take your Szechuan peppercorns. This is actually a mixture of Szechuan peppercorns and a little bit of salt, because I couldn't find the actual thing. And you're going to add some Szechuan peppercorns. Again, you can find the recipe on the website with everything in there, but you're going to add some Szechuan peppercorns, some mustard seeds, and some coriander seeds. And you're going to stir this around, and you're going to want to pretty much bring it to a boil. And cucumbers, jalapeno peppers, and red onion, which are 3 ingredients that are going to be really good. They're actually going to be done separately. The red onion and the jalapeno peppers are actually what you're going to need for next week when we do the brined chicken wings, because these are actually going to go on top. They're going to be perfect for the Super Bowl. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do, because I took this off the heat because it's actually getting way too hot right now. These probably should have been chopped up before then, but they weren't, so here we are. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these jalapeno peppers and we're going to slice them up. Doesn't matter if they get the seeds, that actually make it better. I don't mind. You should probably wear gloves, because getting these on you, rubbing your eyes, rubbing other places, go to the bathroom, whatnot. If you don't wash your hands properly after these, I can guarantee you, you're going to be in a world of hate. We got our jalapenos. They're already spicy enough, so I'm not going to add anything to them. We got our cucumbers here, and I added some chopped up garlic to it. And then I got our red onions here. I'm just going to add a little bit of chili paste, because if these aren't kicked up, I'm going to be sad. Because sometimes I like spicy food. So, it helps. If you don't have one, it's alright. It helps if you have a funnel for this. Once this comes up to a boil. Alright, so it's come to a boil, and now we're going to, how am I going to do this? got our jalapenos, we got our red onion, and I added some chili paste, and we got our cucumbers, and I added quite a bit of garlic, and we got our seasoned heat already inside here, ready to go. We're gonna carefully, you know what? This calls for a ladle, but I don't know ladle, but I got a coffee mug, so. Alright, so once you got this set up like this, it's going to be very, very hot. Definitely do the touch. We'll see how long it takes. But basically, you're going to want it to rest at room temp in the open until all of these have completely cooled down. Then you're going to cap them and put on the tops of your mason jars. And then you're going to let these sit. I mean, you could test them out after 3 or 4 days. Typically, what I'm going to do is these are actually going to sit probably a week or two before I actually use them. Alright, so I hope you make these pickles. I've been actually recording this about a week after we've had them. As you can see, my fiance has already had some of the regular pickles because I don't need them for the recipe next week. They've been quite delicious. Having them on our sandwiches and tuna salads. But I thought I'd go ahead and let y'all see, get a little flavor profile for each one of them. So, this pickle, they're sweet. They got a tiny kick to it. They're delicious, like I said, on tuna salad, tuna melts, and sandwiches. Very good. Now, next week I'll be doing the Valentino honey chicken wings, and that's what the red onion we have here and the jalapenos will be going on. If you remember, we added a little bit of chili paste to the red onion and left the jalapenos alone because they're already spicy enough, and adding in Szechuan peppercorns would make them even spicier than that. So, the red onion spiciness is coming through, but you're also having the sweetness because they've been pickling. So good. These are going to be good on top of the wings. And last but not least, I'm going to try one of the jalapenos for the first time. Woo! Oh, that's good. That's so good. Make Ric Flair want to go woo. So, they have a kick to them, but then they also have the end on the back end. They got a little sweetness to them, and I think these are going to go perfect on top of our chicken wings that we'll be doing next week. So if you like what you saw, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave comments down below if you want to see anything else, and I'll see y'all next week on Whisk and Knives.